Hello dears, welcome to ShareSkills, a platform for learning by practice various computing skills. In this session, we are going to talk about the Microsoft Office 2021, how we can deploy completely free of cost, how we can install and enjoy. So let's start from first. Okay, you have to open a browser. Let's say I'm going to open a browser and you have to search here Office customizations tools, and you will get the first link by office.com, and you will click. You can find like this types of interface. You have to choose your operating system like 32 bits or 64 bits. My 64 bits. And then in Office suites, secondly Office suite, you have to choose here Office LTSC professionals plus 2021 volume license. So make sure this, and then after just go down and choose the which office, inside that office which program do you want, or you can, if you don't need, you can off it, like in Drive desktop, that you can off it. Almost same here. You if you would like to have this Outlook, yes, of course you can on or off. If you don't want this publisher, that also you can on off. Teams, if you don't need, that also you can on off. So which you need, you can on it and click at the next. The same way here, you have to choose the language here. Language, the primary language, obviously I'm going to choose here English United States. You will get numbers of options, and then go to the next. Here you can find the installations from Office Content Delivery Network, that is by default you can find as selected, or you can select it. Then just go down and next it. You don't need to change any other. Almost same way here. Just here you have to find one more, like if you want to go with like uninstall the video, that you can customize according to your wish. Go to the next, and here you will get the product key. Here you have to choose that KMS, the first options, and go to the next again. And in generalizations, you don't need to do anything, just go to the next. Here also you don't need to do anything, although here you can find some applications related. Just go to the finished, go down, and here you have to click on that export. Here we have two places, import and export. You have to click at the export, so be careful. You have to just click on export, and after you will get another interface. Here you have to choose Office Open XML file format. Okay, so you have to choose this third one, the middle one, and just click it OK. You will find another option, that whether you are ready with that term and conditions or not. Just check this term and condition and export. Just click on export. You will get one file downloaded here. Okay, so I have frequently downloaded in my download option. So let's download folder. I'm going to check it here. I have this all download folder, so this all I have downloaded, and here you will get the configuration. Here I have downloaded many times, so frequently it's my configuration 1, configuration 2, but you have downloaded it the first time, then you will get one configuration file only. So just copy this configuration file, like copy, or right click, Control C also you can do, and or copy you can do. Then after copying, you can just go to the C drive, or where is your operating system, or where you want to keep that file. So I have here local disk C, so you can see here local disk C, and then here you have to create one folder so that it can be safe or easy to find. Okay, so you have to create one folder, so just right click it here, and then new, and then folder. Okay, or you can create from up also, so just right click on somewhere here, and here new, and then folder. Here when you get the folder, just click at folder, and here let's type this. You can give any folder name. So I'm going to write here Office 2021 and then just enter, open it and paste that file, configuration file. So control B is for paste, control B for ban, control B is first. After then we have to download one more file. So we are going in browser again, and here you have to download. Okay, so just you can find here download office deployment. Okay, office deployment. So office deployment, here down you can find the office deployment tool, Microsoft 365. So just click on this second, and here you will get one of interface like this, and go down, and here you can find the download options. Just here English language download options, just click it here and you will get one more file. But make sure this file is, when I'll click on this file, when I'll try to open this file, this screen will be black. So make sure that here it will be asking, do you want to change to in your drive, yes, or in your device, yes, you have to choose the yes. And then you will be asking one again, acceptance about the license and terms. Just check it and continue, just check it and continue. And again you will get here one interface, one window is small window, and where you have to define your locations, or you can create one more folder. So obviously I must go in local DXC. So here is this PC, you have to open in this PC, and in this PC here is local DXC. You can find local DXC, just click at local DXC, and here you can find that previously created file, here Office 2001, and here down you can find another options, make a new folder. Just click at the make a new folder. When you click at this make a new folder, and here you will get here another folder. So let's write here, this folder name is Office, or you can write any other name, and just click at OK. After doing this, after renaming, OK, and that because it's completely extracting that files to that particular file. And when you open here, I'm going to show you it's extracted or not. So I'm going to open the C drive in another window. So right click on that C drive and then open with new window, open in new window. When you do that, open in new window, another window will be open, and here you have two folders. One is Office 2021, another is Office folder. When you click at here Office folder, you can find here this all extracted files. Now let's copy this only set of file, just copy this set of file, copy, Control C also you can do, and Control B. Here just you can paste, or right click on there and paste. You can find like this. Here is one set of file is pasted. After doing this, we are going to open here CMD or control panel, here command prompt. Just click on the start menu and write here CMD in start menu, in taskbar, in start menu, CMD command prompt, and just press enter key. Don't worry about this, whatever it's coming, so let it be, but you have to open that folder where your file, configuration file and setup file is there. And here is address bar, just click on this address bar, so be careful, click on address bar. You will get one option here is selected. This is the path, of your files where it is kept. So just copy it, Control C, or right click, you can do the copy, and come here in this command prompt. In this command prompt you have to type here cd space. So I'm going to magnify it so that you can see. Okay, so here cd, just don't type anything, just do the here cd, and then just paste, just Control B about that address, what we have done, what we have copied, Control B and enter it. See here our office address is C drive Office 2021. Just enter, your cursor will be here somewhere. Now I'm going to zoom out, and again you have to open your browser. Now you have to, the third step, you have to find here Office So Office here deployment tools 2021. Okay, so Office deployment tool 2021. If you'll click it here, you will get the first link. Here first link, just click on the first link and you will get one interface like this, and just scroll down, scroll down. When you'll get here, install Office LTSC 2021 by using Office deployment tool. So make sure this heading. Okay, and here you can get here one set of configurations here, path. Just copy it, or by selecting you can copy, or here is the copy, just here written copy. If you click it here, you can find one white tick and green plate. So after copying this, again you have to open that cmd file. So here you can find here cmd. I just click on this cmd file down here because it is in my taskbar. After okay opening, and just do here control B paste, control B paste, for or right click and paste you can do, and enter it. When you enter, you will be asking one another that as want to change in your device, you have to say yes, and you will get another interface that we are getting things ready like this by Microsoft Office. And stay back for a while and enjoy, but make sure that your all okay your internet speed must be faster. So now here you can see here, please stay online while Office is downloaded. Your Office package is started downloading, so it's depend on your internet speed. I have told you. So see here, it's I'm going to completely download it. I have already my old version of Microsoft Office, so it's preparing about that all. After completing your installations, you can find like such types of interface, and okay, so just click it. You are already installed now, so just close it, and you can enjoy with this all Word. So I'm going to close this all files, and now you can find here, I'm going to choose here Word, and please in this way. So I have done this my work, so please for this my work, let's subscribe my channel if you are new, or you can share if you like this video, and if you're thinking that your friends also require this, please don't forget to share this video. Thank you.